Now, this is how you can unblock group messages on Android. So let me cover it from multiple different angles. Let's get started. And if this is your first time being here on Foxtecc, definitely become part of our community so you don't miss anything important. Well, of course, when you are using, for example, the Google Messages app, you might be part of a group chat that someone else created. So what you have the ability to do is to tap on it, or to get inside of the group chat, and you have the ability to, for example, block the people in here. So when you click the top right there, so you can, for example, archive it if you never want to see it again, or turn it off fully. Or you can also report spam if somebody has been contacting you without you wanting to. So that's the option for you right there. And if it's an RCS group message, then you will also have the ability to leave this group chat, but it of course doesn't apply to the regular SMS chats right here. So this is when you can see one individual group chat that you want to block or remove. However, you can as well tap on your account right there and proceed to the messages setting. And in here, part of the protection and safety, you have the spam protection. So this prevents spams and warns of potential scams, right? So if you don't want to be part of unwanted group chats, or if you often get involved in some of those, then you can enable this option, which should hopefully prevent this from happening. So I hope I was able to help you out with it. In case of any more questions, leave them below in the comments. For now, that's it, and I'll see you in the future uploads.